Welcome back to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we're going to be talking about the social status collaboration with Nike on the Nike Air Max Penny ones. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. Today, we're going to be talking about a collaboration with James Whitner and Social Status on part of another Resale collection, which we've seen the black version. If you haven't seen the Orlando color scheme, go back, check that video out. We'll start off with the overview, jump into size and fit on these, followed by how I style this cool colorway, and then we will conclude with how these are currently doing on the resale market. So let's jump right into it. This honestly, out of the two, is one of my favorite colorways. It's just really hard to decide, but I feel like I'm actually favoring this one more than the Orlando color scheme. I know, don't hate me. That is the OG colorway. But this was originally released back in 1995, and I am absolutely obsessed with how this color scheme came out for this rendition. So as far as the frontal portion of the sneaker, we do have premium leathers used throughout, as well as premium suede. So we've got this nice neutral color scheme that we've got going on here. In the bubble, we've got the Nike in black and white, working our way up that light off-white sail colorway for the suede. We've got the nice just neutral laces that match the lock lace. And then we've got the pinstripe for the pull tab at the top and Penny Hardaway's logo on the front there. And just some nice smooth black suede underneath. Let's take a look at those details, then we'll move on to the side paneling. All right, so before we move on to the side paneling, I do want to mention that there are these amazing lace options. So if you do want to really add some color into the mix, we've got so many bright options, as well as just a nice red or nice just yellow color scheme. Or if you want to just go even more simplistic, we do have white laces that you can add in there. As we wrap around to the side paneling, I'm going to pull out actually this so that you can see here. This is actually removable. Unlike the black version, which has that really cool jewel print underneath, this is just kind of standard Velcro in black. But if you're not feeling this kind of basketball theme on the swoosh mark, they do give you multiple options that match the laces perfectly. Really cool that you have those options to really just switch it up on the swoosh mark. As we work our way again, just this nice kind of rough material that we've got in that cream colorway. It really is kind of rugged on the side here. And then as we work our way to the back, we've got the Social Status logo embroidered in that white and black color scheme with the Nike as well in there. The insole is really cool because it matches the box with that chalk handwriting, just to reminisce about bringing back the school year, coming back into the beginning of school year. And then as we wrap around, again, we've got more mixtures of black, cream, white, and that detachable swoosh mark. The sneaker is completed with an expansive heel Air Max unit, which I think really just makes a sneaker quite comfortable. And then we've also got 4-foot zoom. The midsole is in that nice cream colorway, and the outsole is in that colorway as well. Let's take a look at those last and final details. As far as size and fit goes, I would say stick true to size on this one. I do have higher to narrow feet. I like to have a little bit of space in the toe box region. So if you're someone like myself, definitely stick true to size. But if you do have flatter, wider feet, that could actually differentiate a completely different size from myself. All right, so as far as styling goes, again, just a really nice classic color scheme. I feel like this was just a really easy color to work in my wardrobe because these are the colors I really just love wearing all year round. For the first look, I decided to wear just a cream ribbed dress, which I feel like matched some of the cream hues in this to a T. And then for the second look, I switched it up. I decided to wear some olive cargo pants with a white bustier top. I think olive tones really just go nicely with these off-white cream colorways. And then for the last and a final look, I wore some color, so I decided to wear a blue vest with matching shorts just to give you a pop of color, since I feel like I am starting to kind of transition into wearing more fun colorways since we are in the summer here in New York. So you let me know down below what's your favorite look out of the three. So now let's conclude with how these are currently doing on the resale market. So these retailed at $190 and they're currently going between $210 to $300. All right, everyone, that's it for this unboxing and review. If you joined us for the first time, thank you so much. Hit that subscribe on your way out. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave any comments or questions down below and feel free to hit that notification bell because we have a ton of heat going out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for our amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. This is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. We will catch you on the next episode.